my wonderful KCET champions. I hope my dearest children are doing absolutely good. Well, some of you might be thinking, ma'am, not exactly good. Second PUC results came as a bomb, and I get it. Okay, I totally get it, and I understand you that there are a lot of things happening in your life, and you guys are, you know what? You guys are superstars. You're rock stars. You're still going on, and you have an aim. You have a dream to get into a good college, which is why you're working hard. Okay, some of you might be working hard a little less, some of you might be working hard a little more. Anyways, each of your efforts are going to be counting, but one very important thing, you should also know what you should be prioritizing now. What are the chapters that I should be doing? So that confusion could also be there. These many days are there. Ma'am, yesterday you gave a video on the 14 days left and this should be a timetable, but we have no idea about what chapter should be prioritized at this particular point of time. So I'm here to tell you about that. Physics, chemistry, mathematics as well as biology will be covered over here. I have spoken to each of the teachers. They have given me the list cumulatively, and I am here to help you out with that. Yeah, so I hope that I could be of any help for you guys. And also one more thing, take yesterday's video very seriously, the 14 days strategy video. Why? Because I definitely know it is exhaustive, but at this particular point of time, what do we expect? Yes, we have to work hard as much as you can, and also smart. Yeah, and please prioritize your mental health. As I always say, sleep at a particular time, have your routine, but yeah, we have to stretch throughout the day. We might not be able to take too big amount of breaks out there, but yes, you can take breaks. I have given you the timetable like that. If you want, you can follow that, or you can make a timetable of your own, but just have an idea of what you're doing in a day. So second PUC chapters, my dear children, if at all I had to segregate those into high, medium as well as low, these are the chapters that sir had given me, and sir had also told that we have to cover each and every chapter of second PUC, and I totally agree with that, because I also have the same thing to talk about my subject. We have to, but when you are going to target, please make sure that you're targeting these chapters first, then this, and then this. Electromagnetic waves and atoms are small chapters. You can do it easily, and they probably can give you 1 marks, or over the years they have been seen that the maximum amount of marks is 3, and over here it has been 2. Okay, so these are easy chapters. Now you will be seeing some PU1 chapters which have more weightage than this. Okay, more weightage than this. But again, I'm telling you this, as sir said, these are easy chapters and you can cover it. So if you have got time, cover it. Okay, if you have got time, please cover it. Otherwise, these chapters are something that you need to go. First this and then this. And in PU1 chapters, these are something that you need to cover. These are something that you need to cover. And one chapter among them, that is system of particles and rotational motion, is a difficult chapter. It might take a little bit of your time as well. The rest of the chapters of PU1 for now, if you feel that you do not have time, you can avoid it. Okay, by avoiding it, I mean that if you have finding time, any time, do not avoid it completely. At least their PYQs. At least their PYQs. I'll tell you one mantra. Okay, very important mantra. You have just few days left for the examination. Very few days, and you feel that I cannot anyway complete anything. At least solve the PYQs, each and every. I'm telling you about each and every PYQs of the chapter, and go. If that's the worst scenario I'm talking about, right? If you have got time, as of now you have got time, please follow it religiously. As I said, follow the timetable that I've given you, stick to the timings which are there, complete these chapters, move ahead with these chapters out there which can give you 2 marks most probably. And over here, as I said, these 2 chapters are easy. If you can, please do it, or at least their PYQs, please do it, and then go. Yeah, and the rest of the chapters which are left behind, PYQs. Yeah, cool. So I hope that's clear, and I'll just remove this as that you can take a screenshot of this. Yeah, so I hope you have taken that. Similarly, these chapters also you can take the screenshot. Now if this is a difficult chapter, but if you see, my dear children, it has constantly given you 2 marks. That is why it is still there in the list. Otherwise sir would have excluded it, but it has given 2 marks, so obviously we cannot exclude it. And if you count the total number of marks from here and here all together, it comes out to be 48 marks in physics if you are able to cover these chapters up there. Now going ahead with the next thing, that is mathematics. Again, Baba, over here you have the high weighted chapters. These are these and then this. So first you have to cover them and then cover them. How to cover them? As I told you, it depends upon the subject. For example, in mathematics, you would have to understand all the formulas and everything out there, understand it well and apply it. Start applying with the help of PYQs out there. If you do not have to solve much of extra questions, at least the PYQs has to be done. PYQ is a golden thing. PYQs will not be repeated as such, the concepts will. Okay, so if you're just thinking of ratification of PYQs, that will also not work. You have to understand the question. You need to know the basics of it. And my dear children, you have given second PUC examination, so I'm believing it should be helping you out. Okay, the preparation should be helping you out over here while you solve the questions as well, right? Now in the medium weighted chapter, these 3 chapters are said as easy, so it could be on a bit relaxing side out there. So I hope that could help you a bit. So cover this first and then this, go according to the weightage, use your brain. Yeah, so please take a screenshot of this if this helps. And you have first PUC math. These are the chapters that should not be left behind. You have to do this. Relations and functions 1, trigonometric functions, conic section and straight line and linear inequalities. Make sure you cover them. If at all you are not able to cover the other chapters as such, at least their PYQs, as I said, should be working. Okay. And if you do them religiously, properly, 51 marks you may get in mathematics as well. I'm so easy to say it's very difficult. Yes, it is. I'm not saying it is very easy. Okay, it's very difficult. It's going to be difficult. Which competitive examination has been easy? None, right? But that does not mean you should be stopping out there. You should not be putting your efforts. You have to put in your efforts. If you're not able to score 51 out there, at least you will score 49 or 40 or 30, at least something, right? So give your best, try your best, and let's see where we can reach. Yeah. Yes, and how to cover these chapters and everything I told you in the previous video. I do not want to waste much of your time. That is why I'm restricted to just telling the name of the chapters and their weightage. Okay. Yes. And second PUC chemistry, by the way, if at all we total all the marks, it comes up to be 51, as I said. Please remember that. Now chemistry, these are the chapters which are there. The high weightage chapters would be this, and the medium weightage chapters would be this in your second PUC. So first you have to target them, and then you have to go with this. Again, go by line, cover these chapters one by one, and then come. Yeah, please take a screenshot of this. And going ahead with your PU1 chapters, these are chapters that you should not be missing. I know some of them can be difficult as well, but yes, it has given, and you know, in PU1, mostly in physics, mathematics, or even in biology, never see three marks out there, but here you see that, and that's very uncommon, and in chemistry that is happening. So yes, you cannot ignore it. So these are the chapters that you should be doing. Yeah, please take a screenshot of this as well. And if you total the number of marks, it comes out to be 53 marks. If you are able to score it full on full, it will be 53. And if we total all of them, P, M and C, that is physics, math and chemistry, it comes out to be 152 marks. That can be a safe zone, a very safe zone, right? Out of, what do you say, if at all possible. Yeah, obviously we cannot say that every one of us is going to grab 180. It matters. Okay, if your preparation is super strong, yes, 180 is something that you can easily get. If your preparation is that strong, let's be positive. I know that is not something that is easily achievable, but we never know. Probably this year we might get a topper who has scored full on full. Anyways, as I said, I'm reminding you again, give your best. That is also very important. Yeah. And if at all you are someone who have not scored well in your second PUC examination, probably we should be, if not 180, then we should be having a target that can be helpful for getting into a good college, right? So, yeah. Now, going ahead with the last subject that you have, and that is biology. And at this particular point, I want to tell one thing. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit on the subscribe button right now for all updates, for all important videos as well. Yeah, so in biology, since I teach it, I know it, that these are the chapters that you should not be missing by any chance. These are not just high weightage chapters, they are super high weightage chapters. Okay, then comes these chapters. In that you see microbes in human welfare is an easy chapter. You can easily score good marks. Organism and population, Baba, I have put it over here, even though it has given just 2 marks, because 2 years it has given 5 marks consecutively. That means it is important only, okay, and somehow it is losing the marks over here, but we never know when it comes back again. It can make a comeback, and these two chapters are super easy, ecosystem and biodiversity, giving you 2 to 2 marks, okay. So do not miss out on these chapters. As I said, if by any chance at any point of time you're not able to do at least their PYQs, at this time I will not recommend that. At this time I will recommend you to at least just have a basic understanding of the concept and go shoot up the questions. Yeah. Yes, and in PU1, these are the chapters which you should not be avoiding as well. Now, in PU1, 19 chapters are there, and out of that, I'm telling you at least this. If you're able to go more, please go ahead and do more. There is anatomy of flowering plants. There is neural control and coordination. Also something that you can probably do if you have time. Okay, so yes. And one more very important thing, I hope you guys know that there is a price drop on KCET 30 batch and also on ABHYAS KCET test series. I'll vouch for this because I truly know what it means. It's a really good test series for everyone who is preparing for KCET. You should be taking it up. Okay, it's a very good test series. It has brought ranks the previous year. All the rank holders had just good things to talk about it. Make sure you practice those questions from your very new questions. It is going to help you towards the examination. And in the 14 days plan, I told you that you have to practice mocks. So this could be the perfect mocks out there that you can practice. Similarly, for COMEDK children also, there is a crash course ongoing. If you want to know more about this, you can just check out all of this in the description section of this particular video. Yeah, so I don't want to bore you with a lot of things out there, but yes, I just wanted to tell you about the resources. Utilize it, and if you have not watched the 14 days plan video, go watch it. It will give you at least some idea on certain things. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourself. If you have any queries, put it down right over here. I'll help you out with that. Bye bye. Take care.